Hey YouTube, Joshua C here. I'm just going to make a quick video. I don't know if you guys are familiar with these Streamlight flashlights, but they're very common amongst most mechanics. Most of my boys at the shop, they usually have one or two. But, I'm sorry. What I'm trying to get to you guys is that these things actually have a lifetime warranty. So if you have one that's messed up, you should contact your dealer and see what kind of deal you guys can work out. So here, let me do this one for one. First one, this is my personal flashlight, and the dual switch actually started messing up, so I got this replaced fairly recently. As you guys can tell, this is not the original dual switch that came with this one. See, this is a dual switch Stinger DS. So yeah, the actual button got cut, and lo and behold, I asked my Snap-on dude, and I didn't buy this through him, and he's still warranted for me. It didn't cost me a dime out of my pocket. Alright, so these are actually my brother's personal lights. This one, you guys wouldn't believe, this thing got ran over by a damn forklift. The lens and shit were popping out, and when you stuck a battery in it, it would constantly stay on, regardless of the button presses. So, this particular model is a Stinger LED. This is the high lumen. And guys, check this out. This is brand spanking new. It's replaced. The heat sink portion and the lens was all replaced. So basically, from what I know, is they replaced what's messed up. And they did so. So those are the respective energizers. And the last one, Exhibit C. This body was completely messed up, and I think this one had a symptom where the button itself was missing. Like, literally had no rubber. Like, it was crazy. And so this thing, too, had its lens replaced, the polycarbonate. Look at that. Brilliant, brilliant. They actually left the rim, but that's all good. This thing's going to get beat up, but this is just another dual switch, the standard LED C4, as you guys can see. But my brother actually switched out the end caps on this. He put the standard end cap, so they left that alone, which I don't blame them. But they replaced it with a brand new body, so all the internals, I would assume, are completely brand new. So if you're ever on the fence of like, oh man, my light is faulty, check with your dealer, man, see what kind of deals you guys could work and actually get it replaced. Like I said, I don't know about your particular situation, but all these repairs to all three of these flashlights you saw here did not cost me a single penny. So, hopefully this helps. Be aware that your flashlight should have a lifetime warranty. You guys pay big money for these lights, man. So, follow up on that, and you guys take care.